Need something to handle those super heavy loads, but still want it high enough to clean underneath? You're in the right place. Today, we are building one for my client for his retail shop. A base custom wooden pallet is raised 12 inches above the floor. I'm starting by cutting my 2x4 to size 54 inches for the length, 40 inches for the width. I made myself a simple quick clamp. I nailed one nail through on the side halfway. I placed in my wood and seated the clamp one way to make it firm. This simple quick clamp helped me to hold this wood firm, and I sanded everything smoothly. How to trim off edges using my jack plane. I put the tape and measured my gaps between the slats evenly. I arranged 3 pieces of 4 inches parallel and placed 2 pieces of 54 inches on the top ends. Pre-drill some holes before nailing anything to keep the wood from splitting. I flipped it and arranged the slats on top, pre-drilling holes, and nailed everything together. For the legs, I'm stacking 4 pieces on each edge, making 4 stronger legs. There are a mix of 3 inch, 4 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches. Blocks stacked on each edge of the pallet, 1 by 1, to make it 12-inch high. I added another piece of wood on the legs to make it extra strong. For the middle, I added another piece of wood as a leg for extra support, then added a long piece of wood of 2 by 2 across the legs to make the front butt or the face. To finish it off, I used a piece of plywood to cover the face. And if you've made it this far, smash for me that subscription button and a thumbs up. Don't forget turn on the notification bell for more DIY projects. Our wooden pallet is now ready for use.